Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first video of 2022. What better video to kick off the new year than with a clean and undecorate, taking my Christmas decorations down. If you haven't already done this, I think you still have a few days, so hopefully this video motivates you to take your Christmas decorations down or just give your house a general clean and get everything fresh for the new year. So first of all, I'm writing a to-do list. So today I wanted to take my Christmas tree down in the lounge, take my Christmas decorations down, take my Christmas tree down in my bedroom, put all the Christmas decorations then in the shed, then just hoover and mop everywhere, and then obviously redecorate with my normal decor. So jumping straight on in, I picked up this ornament storage box from the range before Christmas, and yeah, I really like this. I only picked up one because I do normally tend to use the big boxes and they are from the range. However, I really like that inside this box you get kind of like dividers. I will say that they are more suitable for smaller baubles. So what I did first of all was take off all the small baubles that actually fit in with the dividers, pop them in the bottom, and then you get like a flat sheet to go on the top. And then rather than putting all the dividers in, I just didn't put any more in and kind of just laid up because obviously the bigger baubles didn't fit in with the dividers, if that makes sense. But yeah, I really recommend this storage box. You can grab one off Amazon, I'm pretty sure. So yeah.
Cup after cup, yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real.
Next up, as you can see, I'm just taking off all of my little berry branches. These were from the range, just in case you missed where I got them from. And I did count up how many I had. And I think of these like champagne coloured ones, I had 27. And then of the red ones, I feel like I had 7 or 8. So about 35, I think, all in all. And bearing in mind, my tree is 7 foot and I only kind of did the front of the tree. So if you was to do all around it, you can imagine how many you would need to make it look super full. So yeah, it's quite expensive. So maybe just get a few every single year, like what I've been doing. Now I'm just moving on to taking off the bigger baubles, and again still using that red storage box.
Like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
So now the majority of the glass baubles are off, I'm just taking off like the big plastic ones and any remainder baubles and using this big storage box to store those in. Obviously, because these baubles, I think they're like 150 mm, you're going to need a much bigger storage box for these.
There's something different about the way we are.
Okay, so that is all of the baubles off the tree and stored away in their new little storage box. Now it's time to take the tree apart and get that back in its box. So first thing I like to do is I like to almost just like, do you know when you put your tree up, you obviously bush it out, don't you? So I'm going to say it's called debushing. So I'm debushing the tree and just trying to like close up all the branches. And then I'm just going to try and take it apart. Now, I'm not going to lie, trying to take it apart and find like where it slotted in proved to be really difficult. Obviously, don't forget this tree is 7 foot, so yeah, it was quite hard to do on my own. Also, in case you was wondering what I did with the lights, it is actually a pre-lit tree, so all you have to do is like disconnect the lights off each section, and yeah, that's it, job done, you put it away. So if you don't already own a pre-lit Christmas tree and you hate putting lights on a Christmas tree as much as me, then I really recommend you invest in one.
Should I be coming early in the morning? Oh yeah, she can make you send my money. Call me Mr. Bean, I go make you on.
Okay, now the Christmas tree is away, it's time to just take all the other Christmas decoration down, and I've got this huge storage box again from the range to pop all of this in. So moving on to my glass Christmas trees, my pride and joy. I've just got a carrier bag just to pop in all of the gingerbread biscuits. I obviously did eat a few of these, but to be honest with you, I don't know what expiry date gingerbread biscuits have on. So after like a week, I didn't carry on eating them because, yeah, I didn't know if they would be off or whatever. It was primarily for display that I made them. And then with the other glass Christmas tree, I just simply put ice and sugar in the bottom. So yeah, it was a bit of a nightmare to get out. And then obviously I wanted to just give these a good wash down, dry them, and then just like bubble wrap them and put them safe away. Key is to bubble wrap anything like this, guys, else yeah, it will get smashed to pieces.
Life is a drink and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be my user. When I was a river, tried up, it came to rain and
Then moving on to putting away my red cushions and throw. How I like to store these is just simply get one of those vacuum bags. So yeah, pop everything in and then you just seal the top, get your hoover on it, and it just takes out all of the air and really like shrinks it. It's absolutely amazing. It always fascinates me.
just sent from up above. I feel it coursing through my blood. Life is a drink, your life's about to make the stars come out. Drink from me, drink from me. Pour on a symphony. When I'm
Then it's time to add some nice decor to replace the Christmas stuff. So I'm actually taking this black vase and some pampas grass. This black vase is a newbie that I picked up from Primark the other week, and it was like £8 and I love it. And then I'm just taking some polish and a glass cloth and just cleaning down the coffee table, and again, yeah, just going to be decorating this and sprucing this up. Then I'm just doing the same with the kitchen, just like taking out all of my plants and bits and bobs that I use to like decorate my shelves and just restore that to its full glory. and as you can see, it's definitely starting to take shape now and look just as it normally does without all the Christmas decorations and Halloween stuff. I feel like because we had Halloween and Christmas, my house has just not like looked like its usual self in a long time. So it's so nice just to, you know, declutter, get rid of all the decor for a bit and just have it nice and minimal and just clean. It feels so satisfying.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day.
Okay, then to set the dining table, so I picked up some new napkins from Primark, and these are so nice. They're similar to the print I have on a cushion in my bedroom, for those of you that know. And they're like £3.50, so I bought 2 packs because each pack has 2 in. And as you guys know, I love having my dining table just set all year round. It really adds to like the aesthetic of your home. So I keep it quite minimal, just got some charger plates, napkins, napkin like holder thing, and then just some glasses and obviously the cutlery out. I then did find a gold plant pop in the centre. I didn't want anything too OTT for the centrepiece because I have got a big arrangement on my middle countertop in the kitchen. But yeah, I was really pleased with how this setup looks.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just.
Okay, so that is all the decorations taken down, guys, and this is just an overview of how the open plan kitchen, living and dining space is looking now. So I've just popped a Louis Vuitton book, lantern and some pampas grass on the top of the piano, and then just kept it minimal everywhere else. So just a nice arrangement on the middle countertop, my usual tea, coffee canisters out. I also used a little candles on the windowsill because I thought this looked quite minimal. This is the table decor, which I'm really happy with, and then this is the living area, and my coffee table restored too. I feel like there's quite a lot going on the coffee table, but yeah, I quite like it.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise.
So, moving on to the final room that we need to de-Christmas, and that is my bedroom. You guys know by now that I like to have a couple of Christmas trees. Last year was free. I put it down to 2 this year, so 1 in my main living room and obviously 1 in my bedroom. But I feel like next Christmas, well, the Christmas coming, hopefully me and Mitchell are in our own place. So it won't be a Christmas tree in the bedroom, I don't think. It will hopefully be 1 in our living room, and then we're hoping to have like a kitchen with like a big like open plan space as well. So I'll probably have 2, like 1 there and 1 there. I mean, who knows? We'll see what the house is like if we even find one. But yeah, anyway, just doing the same kind of procedure. Just going around taking off all of the baubles. I'm taking off all the plastic ones first. So I didn't actually have any more plastic boxes left. So I've just used a box that one of my deliveries came in, and I'm just popping all the plastic ones in here, and then I'm going to put the glass ones on top of them so they don't get destroyed. Just a little tip, if you do have glass baubles, don't put them like at the bottom. If you have plastic ones, put the plastic ones in first, and then yeah, put the glass ones on top.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
Okay, so once all the baubles were off the tree, obviously it's now time to disassemble. Now, this is my least favourite tree to take down because it's a flock tree, and honestly, the snow stuff on this tree goes absolutely everywhere. You'll end up covered in it. To be honest with you, I think I'm going to get rid of this tree next year, so if anyone wants this tree, let me know. I also have another spare tree in my shed, so yeah, I'm going to probably get rid of both of them next year, and maybe some baubles too because I have way too many. But yeah, anyway, I managed to get it in its bag. I think the box broke for this, so yeah, I just bought one of these Christmas tree bags again from Amazon.
Wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
So once I restored this area, it was time to grab a new reed diffuser. This is the sweet almond and macaroon reed diffuser from Aldi that I rave about. Unfortunately, it is like a limited edition one, and they don't seem to stock it all year round, which is honestly the most disheartening and disappointing thing ever, because I swear to you, it is the strongest and best smelling reed diffuser ever. Luckily, I have a few I've stocked up on that. Yeah, I'll be so sad when I don't have any more left. So now just moving on to the bed and the bed sheets. I did put them all in the wash, and now it is that dreaded time of putting them all back on. Does anyone else hate this task? Because I sure do when I'm doing it on my own. It's just, to be honest with you, it's not even easy when me and Mitch are trying to do it ourselves. Like, we're still getting in a pickle with it. But yeah, absolutely hate putting on bed sheets. Okay, once the sheets are all on, it's then time to take the Lenore crease remover, I'm going to say it's called. Please be so careful with this. If you have flooring like myself, I have about gone flying 20 or 30 times since filming this video. This stuff is lethal if you get it on the floors, so please use this at your own risk and just be so careful, because like I say, as soon as it hits the floor, yeah, it's so slippery. But yeah, this is great for not having to iron. You just obviously spritz it everywhere and then just kind of like pull it tight and smooth it over with your hand, and the creases pretty much go out. So yeah, highly recommend.
Make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
Anyway guys, that goes ahead and concludes today's video. Here is my bedroom fully restored again. No Christmas in sight, and all fresh and clean. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I shall see you all at my next video. Bye bye.